Have you ever wondered what boxing can do for your body? Imagine a workout that transforms your strength, stamina, and agility. That's the power of boxing. With boxing, you're not just throwing punches, you're changing your entire physique. Let's dive into what happens to your body when you start boxing. First, it's crucial to understand boxing is a full body workout. It activates every muscle group, making it more than just a sport. When you lace up those gloves, the first thing you notice is the cardiovascular workout. Boxing gets your heart racing, which improves your endurance. This workout involves constant movement. Whether you're jabbing, weaving, or footwork, your heart works hard. Next is strength training. Punching doesn't just engage your arms, it targets your shoulders, back, and core. Your upper body gets toned. As you train, you increase power behind your punches. Each hit builds muscle strength. You might feel sore at first, but that's the sign of progress. Moreover, let's talk about your core. Boxing requires core stability for balance and power. Each punch originates from your core. This not only strengthens abdominal muscles but also supports better posture. A strong core improves your overall performance. Moving on, we can't ignore flexibility. Boxing encourages dynamic movements. Stretching before and after workouts enhances flexibility. This reduced stiffness allows you to throw punches effectively. Plus, improved flexibility helps prevent injuries. Don't forget about coordination. Boxing requires excellent hand-eye coordination. As you practice combinations and drills, your coordination improves. This translates into better control and faster reactions, both in and out of the ring. So, how does your body change as you box regularly? Initially, you may notice weight loss. Boxing burns a significant number of calories. A single session can burn 500 to 800 calories. Over time, fat melts away while muscle contributes to a more defined shape. Your mental health also benefits from boxing. The adrenaline rush from intense workouts prevents stress. You'll find a boost in mood thanks to endorphins. It provides a healthy outlet for frustration. Many boxers report feeling empowered and more confident. Now let's take a closer look at what to expect in a typical boxing training session. You might start with warm-ups. Think jumping jacks or jogging in place. This gets your blood flowing and helps prevent injury. Next, you'll practice basic techniques. Learning proper form is essential. Start with jabs and crosses. Focus on accuracy instead of power at first. As you build confidence, increase the intensity. Then comes the fun part, the heavy bag. This is where you can unleash your power. Hitting the bag improves your punches and footwork. It's a great way to vent while building strength simultaneously. Don't forget to include sparring. This step allows you to practice strategies with a partner. It's crucial for developing timing and speed. Sparring teaches you to think on your feet. Just remember, safety first. Always wear proper gear. After a session, cooling down is key. Stretch your muscles to prevent soreness. This step aids recovery, making you ready for your next workout. As you progress, not only will your body transform, but your confidence will too. You'll feel capable of more. Each punch and movement will boost your self-esteem. In summary, starting boxing triggers an amazing transformation for your body. You'll gain endurance, strength, and coordination. Flexibility improves as mental health benefits also arise. The body you build through boxing is not just muscular, it's powerful. Ready to start your boxing journey? Grab your gloves and find a local boxing gym. Whether it's for fitness or competition, boxing awaits. Take the leap and start transforming your body today.